Hello guys, so on this video I will show you step by step how you can get your website approved by Google AdSense. So what we need to cover on this video is we are going to cover how you can add Google AdSense to your WordPress website, and how you can add it to your Blogger website, and how you can add it to your PHP website. If you don't know those websites I'm talking about, just keep on watching, you will know them at the end of this video. And there's a giveaway going on this video that you can go and watch, or go and participate on this giveaway. So the giveaway link will be in the description below. So let us go back to the reason why you are here. So let me talk about, give you something that is very, very important. So to get your website approved by Google AdSense is I will share some tips that will help you to get your website approved instantly. The first thing you need to make sure at least you optimize your website. You have to optimize your website to Google friendly. Optimize it, make it look good. Not too much good, but make your website at least let it be normal. Don't add too much things, but make your website be simple and easy to navigate with. And the second thing you need to do is to make sure that your website is at least 1 month to 3 months old. Make sure your website is at least 1 month to 3 months old. And the third thing you need is traffic. You need traffic because this is very, very important. You need at least make sure your website is getting 50 to 100 people that is visiting your website every single day. Make sure your website is getting 50 to 100. Let me just say 50 to 100 people visiting your website every single day. If you can 50, if you can do more, maybe 100. That is just depend on you. So if you are able to start bringing all those things I just mentioned to your website, you will see that your website will be approved. And what are the requirements? What are the things Google wants you to have before your website will be approved? Google wants you to make sure you have your privacy policy and terms and conditions. So if you have those pages on your website, privacy policy, terms and conditions, or contact us, or about us page, contact us page, privacy policy, terms and conditions, those are pages that you need. So I will mention the pages again if you are not getting it. Privacy policy, terms and conditions, contact us page, and about us. If you have all those pages on your website, you will be in a chance of being approved by Google AdSense. So now you know what you have to do and to make sure your website will be approved. So let me show you now how you can apply to Google AdSense. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Google AdSense. There's one thing I didn't talk about. If some of you are finding it difficult to at least create or write their privacy policy or terms and condition pages, if you are finding it difficult, this website will help you to do it. Let me just quickly show you the website. So come to this website, which is HSuperTools. Click on where it says Web Tools. Once you click on it, you will see Privacy Policy Generator, Terms and Condition Generator. If I click on Privacy Policy Generator, it will bring me here. I will enter my website name and my website URL. I click on Generate, and everything will be generated. I will copy it and go and paste it on my privacy policy page that I'm creating on my website. So now you have 3 ways that you can do this. It's very simple. So let us move to how you can apply to AdSense on your website. So once you click there's a link in the description. If you click on that link, or you can go and search for Google AdSense on Google, and you will find this Google AdSense page website, and you have to click on where it says first step. What you have to do is that you need to enter your Gmail to register on AdSense. So once you have entered your first name, last name, and your password and other information required from Google AdSense, your account will be created. So once your account will be created, and you can start now applying. You can then now apply to the AdSense program. So how to apply to AdSense program? I will log into my own website. So I will click on login. So once I click on login here, what I need to do is to click on this section where you see a site. So once I click on site, I will click on this section where you see add site. So once I click on it, I will enter my website here in just a second. So once I've entered it, I will click on this section where it says save and continue. So it's going to open up. So it will open this up. So what you have to do, you see what it says. It says connect your site to AdSense. It says copy and paste the code in the HTML of your site between the header and header tag. So what you have to do, copy this code here before you click on request review. Copy this code here. So once you copy this code, go to that your website. So we'll go to my WordPress website. So once you come to this your website, we just scroll down on WordPress. This is on WordPress. If you want to apply to Google AdSense program on WordPress, click on this section where you see appearance, and click on where you see file, theme file editor. Click on it. So once you click on theme file editor, just scroll this down a little bit. Just scroll your console down. You find a section where you see header.php. Click on header.php. Once you click on it, just wait for it to open properly. So once it opens here, just scroll down a bit. You will find this section where you see header. You find this section where you see header. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll find another section where you see header. So what you need to do is to bring your console down a bit. You can see this section where you see header here. And you can see this section where you say header here. You heard that what he said between the header and header. So it's between this area we are going to put it. This is header here, and this is another header here. So what you need to do is to click it and push it down. Make sure you push it down a bit, at least more, 1 or 2 steps, and paste in the Google HTML code. So this was the HTML code we copied from Google. So once we paste in the code here, we just need to click on where it say update file. So if I click on update file now, congratulations, we have done that. So once I click on update file, I will go back again to AdSense. Forget this. Once you have saved it on your main website or like WordPress, you need to come to this section and click on this section where it say request review. So when you click on this will be on the Google system saying that somebody have request to review his own website. So once I click on request review, Google will request this they will review this my website, and they will notify me within, let me say, within 1 month. I will just say within 1 month to let me know if my website will be approved. So when I click on that, you will see what it will say. This is what it will say to me. It say getting your site ready to show ad. It say please it say bear with us. This usually takes a few days, but some case might take up to 2 weeks. We will notify you as soon as we run some check on your site. So you can read more through. So that is what I just said, and that is how you can do it. This will be set in Google system, so they will review it within 2 weeks. Let's just say 2 weeks or more. So that's it. So once you have done this, you just need to be patient, and Google will send you a message within 2 weeks to let you know if you have been approved or you have be disapproved. So that's just it. So how you can do it in other websites. So how you can apply to Google AdSense on your Blogger Spot website. Let me say you have a Blogger website. How you can do it is very simple too. Click on the section where it says theme, and click on this icon here, this drop down icon, and click on this section where it say says edit HTML. So once you click on that, it will open this page here. So what you need to do is to get your AdSense code. So to get your AdSense code, go to AdSense and come to this section where you say add site. You know how we get here. It's very simple. Let me show you again. So once you're on your AdSense dashboard, click on where you say add site, and this page will open, and you click on the section where you say add site. And what you have to do, like we did, you need to enter your website name here. So once you have entered it, click on where it says save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, it will open the same thing you did on the other website. So copy this code again. So once we copy this same code, come to this section where we have entered here and search for, you remember what we are looking for. We are looking for the header tag, which is this section here. So if you cannot find it on this your Blogger Spot editor theme, you can click on Ctrl F, which is find. So you can search in like header. You can enter like head. Once you enter head there and you click on search, you will see it will show you all the sections that say head from this your dashboard, or this your HTML code that you can see here. So what we need to do is to click on this section and bring the console down a bit, and click on this section. Just click on it and paste in that your HTML code, which is this one here. So once you have pasted in this code, you need to click on this section again where it say you click on save. So once it's saved, come to this your website here and click on request review. It will pop up the same page that it showed before about on what, like we did on that WordPress website, saying that they are going to run it within it usually take a few days, but it will take, because of some issue, it might take longer, like 2 weeks. So that is it. Once I click on request, it means that I've requested them to review this my website, and they are going to review it. Let me know if I will be allowed to monetize this my website with Google AdSense. So that is how you can do it. It's very, very simple. Let us move to how you can do it on your PHP website. So how to do it on your PHP website is very simple. What you need to do, click on this section where you say add site, not add site, just click on this section where you say site, click on it. And once you click on this section, what you have to do is to click on where you say add site here. So once you click on that section, paste in your website. Once you enter your website here, click on the section where you say save and continue. So once you click on save and continue here, you need to copy the code. So now we are going to go to our PHP website, which is our cPanel, to paste in this code. Go to the place where you hosted your website and click on cPanel. So as you can see, I hosted my website on Hostgator. So if you want to host your website on Hostgator, the link to use Hostgator to create your website will be in the description below. Go and use it to create your website if you want to create your website with Hostgator. It's a web hosting company. Go and try it out and let me know in the comment section below. Enough of that, and click on this section where you say file. So it will bring me here. So why did I go to my Hostgator? I did this because I am using Hostgator because this is my own web hosting company, and I just want to access it in that way. So this is my cPanel. Some of you might just go to cPanel directly, but I just did it on my own way. It's just to show you that you can do it in that way too. So once you come, this is my cPanel here. I need to search for my website. As you can see, I have a bunch of websites here. I need to make sure I'm pasting that code on that my particular file, on that folder which concern this my domain. I'm trying to paste in that I'm trying to monetize, or that my website I'm trying to monetize. So I will scroll down. You can see this is the website I'm trying to monetize, which is USafe SEO. You can go and look at this my SEO tools. The link of these SEO tools will be in the description, so go and check it out. So I will click on it. So once I click on it, it will open. Then what I need to do is to click on the section. You see where it says theme. Click on theme. So when theme open, you will not find anything here. Normally you're supposed to find everything here. So you need to click on where it say default. So once you click on default here, you need to come down and go to the section where it say header.php. Click on this section and click on it twice. If you click on it twice, it will just like it's asking you to download it. Then click on it once, like you want to copy it. Press it with your mouse, like you want to copy it, and you will see a section where it says download, view, and edit. Click on edit, and another page will open, asking you, say, will you be editing USafe SEO theme? You will say yes, because you need to make sure you see that is this website we are trying to edit the theme. So we'll click on edit. It's going to take us to our dashboard, HTML dashboard, where we'll be able to edit our theme and add the things we want to add. And if you remember, Google asked us to add this on our header tag. So we need to make sure it's on our header tag, we are adding it. So you can see the PHP, you can see the HTML code here, and you can see this section where you say header, head. You can see this section where you say head. Click on it and bring it down, bring your mouse down, and paste in that your code that you copied from Google AdSense. Once you paste in this code here, let us go to AdSense again. Copy this code and go to our cPanel and paste in the code. So once we paste in the code, this will now be our Google AdSense code. So that is it. So once you are done pasting the code, you need to click on save here. So don't forget, once you click on save here, go back to AdSense again and click on this section where you say request review. So when you click on this will notify Google that this website or this company, which is USafe SEO, is asking us to review this website to see if they can publish ad on this my website. So this is kind of a request, and they will approve you to say, okay, we would like to show ad on this your website. So once they approve it, I will start showing ad. So you know now how you can do it. If I click on request now, everything will be set, and all I just need to do is just to be patient, and they are going to notify me when I will be approved. So that is it, guys, and I'm done with this video. Don't forget, click on save here once you paste in any code, in any HTML code that you are adding on your website. make sure you click on save so that Google will be able to detect it. For me, I will delete it because I don't need to do anything here. I don't need to do anything here. I just need to leave everything just like it is, and I will just click on save for the purpose of this video. Maybe things are saving automatically. It's just to make sure it don't save, and that is it. So now you know how you can add AdSense to your website, or how you can monetize your website with AdSense, or how you can get approved. You know everything on this video now. So all I ask from you now is to like this video, share it with your friend, let people know about this video, and if you don't find it useful, leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you find it useful, leave me a comment in the comment section below too. So there's a video I made on how you can create a blog. If you want to write a blog for free, there's a website that will allow you to do this. So the video will pop up now. Watch it and learn how you can write a blog on that your website. I will say thank you very much, and again, don't forget to go and participate on the giveaway that I talked about. The link of the giveaway will be in the description below. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will see you on my next video. So you are done watching this my video. So what are you waiting for? All you just need to do is to click that subscribe button and click the bell, or you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It just depends on where you want to follow me. Go and follow me. Let us connect together and start making money online for free. And you can visit my website, which is www.ugospel.com. You can check my SEO website, which is www.usafeseotools.com. Check them out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and let us keep on making money online for free. See you on the next video.